What if the biggest warning in your relationship is that there hasn't been one? Think about that. Everybody knows what to do when something explodes and blows up. When there's a fight, when somebody leaves, when somebody finally says, "We need to talk." Now everybody's paying attention. But what about when nobody says anything? When life just keeps moving and you assume we're good? Maybe the relationship we should examine the closest aren't always the ones making the most noise. Maybe they are the ones we have gotten comfortable enough to stop questioning. Because sometimes you don't recognize the value of something until you are looking back at it. And by then, the question changes. It isn't what happened. It is, when did this start happening and how did I miss it? Fire and Ice, Truth Under Pressure, Case File 005. The things you stopped doing. The investigation continues. Make sure and check out our podcast.